Hi, my name is Pirumad and today I am here with another lecture, part B of the same lecture that we discussed yesterday about the same lecture. So today we are going to learn present tenses in detail. Complete present tenses, only its definition and one or two examples I will be teaching you today. And then in detail each tense will be taught to you later on. So the tense today that we are going to discuss is present tense. And present tense has got four types. Like earlier I mentioned it, that the first one is present indefinite tense, the second one is present continuous tense, or you can say it present progressive tense. Present progressive language we call it present progressive tense. In American language we call it present continuous tense. You can call it either one of them, right? So present perfect tense is the another tense, present perfect continuous tense is the another tense. Now we are going to discuss present indefinite tense. The word present indefinite tense is. So basic definition over here is given. You can give any definition of your choice. The concept should be clear. Once the concept is clear, it's too easy for anyone to get what the meaning of this language is and this tense is. Present indefinite tense, the present simple or the present tense is used to describe an action. It is used to describe an action, an event or condition that is occurring in the present at the moment of speaking or writing, right? So for example, it describes what? An action. The present simple tense or the present indefinite tense is that it describes the action, event or condition that is occurring or that is taking place in the present, or our daily routine, universal truth. It is called present simple tense. Like for example, you can say, I play. I play. Now for example, Ali writes, they work, we enjoy. So all these are the present tense examples. She plays. With he, she we would use S, ES or IES, like earlier I mentioned it. This is the rule of present simple tense. With I, we, you, they we will use simple play. Means without S or ES or IES we will use it. So this is present indefinite tense. The present indefinite tense is quite easy tense and it is mostly used in every, you can say that in every language, whatever the tense is, we are using this present simple tense very much a lot. So this is present indefinite tense. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment. I'll be teaching you in detail, right? All the tenses. Today I'm giving you the overview, just the definition and one example. Later on I'll explain it that how you can change this I play into negative. I don't play. Do I play? Do I not play? I'll tell you what are the helping verbs. Why SES we remove in negative sentences and interrogative sentences. That I will tell you in detail. Now the next one is present continuous tense or present progressive. British language says present progressive. American says present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, you know very well that continuous actually means the work which is going on at the time of speaking, you're doing. Now for example, I am making this video. I am making this video. This video is taking time. Right now it's happening. So the present continuous emphasizes the continuing nature of an act, event or condition. If something is happening, there you are using present continuous tense. Like I am playing. She is playing. He, she is playing. They are playing.